After an hour of mowing grass, you notice that you've mowed a third of an acre. Graph a line to represent this ratio. How long will it take you to mow 1.25 acres? Whenever you're asked to graph a linear relationship, as we are here, you should start, I think, with the x-axis here and use that line to represent time. So here we're dealing with time in hours because it says it takes 1 hour to mow a third of an acre. So let's say 5 dashes out here to represent 5 hours. And the other axis will represent how much grass we mow. And we're only mowing a third of an acre per hour, so let's make the difference between each line pretty small. Let's say a quarter of an acre. So 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, just going up by a quarter each time, 1.25, and 1.5. We know that it took 1 hour to mow a third of an acre. So we'll find our line that represents 1 hour, and we'll go up to about where 1/3 would be on this graph. So 1/3 or 0.33, it's a little bit more than 0.25 and less than 0.5, somewhere in between them, but closer to 0.25. So we'll put that point right there. The second hour, we would have mowed twice as much, so 0.66 acres. So we're going to be between 0.5 and 0.75, a little bit closer to 0.75, since 0.66 is closer to 0.75 than it is to 0.5. We'll put that line right about here. Now we just connect these two dots and extend our line outward. And it's asking how long it will take us to mow 1.25 acres. So we find 1.25 acres on our vertical axis here, and then we go straight over until we intercept the line here. Then we go straight down, and it looks like it'll take us almost 4 hours to mow 1.25 acres. And since we did this by hand, it's not going to be exact, but we can either calculate it to find the exact answer or choose from the multiple choice possibilities to answer that is closest to what we came up with here, 3.75, say.